Hello friends, this is Oscar. Today I want to talk to you about Visual Studio Code Online, which you can access directly from your browser by visiting vscode.dev. As the IDE is loaded on your browser, you can connect to a GitHub repo of your choice, effectively loading all the project files. These files could be JavaScript, TypeScript, C#, Python, or whatever other language is associated with that project. As a developer, you'll be able to browse all the files, make edits, commit, and push back those changes to your repo. In addition, you are able to do other development activities like debugging, code comparison, or even add other add-ons or tools that enable you to do other development activities. So how about it, friends? Go visit vscode.dev, connect to one of your projects, and take it for a spin. Remember, this is not supposed to replace your development environment. It's just another tool. Thanks for listening.